My name is Robert Frank. I'm a retired Air Force colonel. I'm also retired from Lawrence. By the way, in the Air Force, I worked in computer security. I worked in supply and procurement at the Pentagon. When I worked at Lawrence Livermore Lab, I was the chief scientist for electronic commerce and was quite familiar with networking of the types that we're talking about with smart meters. Helped to invent, or at least supervise, some of the research projects that invented some of the SSL and related security technology that are used, and I'm quite familiar with it. So when I'm speaking today, I wore my American Legion Commander's hat to get your attention that the reason why we have freedom in this country is because of the military defending our rights. We swore to defend and support the Constitution. So did you. I'm doing my part. You're not. I've been in front of this commission a number of times asking for you to pay attention to the fact that our constitutional rights in this country, not all around the world, but in this country, are unique. And as citizens, the Fourth Amendment and the 18th section of the Nevada Constitution allow us to say you could not encroach upon privacy in our private property without our permission. And you know that to be true because some of you are attorneys. I realize that there are some people amongst your group and your advisor, your legal advisor, and the Nevada Power Company that would like to ignore the fact that we ultimately as citizens have the right to refuse smart meters if we can prove, and we can, that they violate our privacy, they violate the Fourth Amendment. We have the right to say you cannot install your mesh networking and your Zigbee networking in our homes without our permission. You've been told that before and you have ignored it. And I realize that among some commissions in the state, there's an attitude that says, I have to let you speak, but I don't have to listen to you. I'm expecting you to probably give Nevada Energy what they want because that's what they usually get. And you will force people like me. There are 25 million living veterans in this country and twice as many as that family members and children. You're going to force us to organize the population to fight back against losing our constitutional rights. I'm not here to beg you to protect our constitutional rights. I'm here to demand that you do that. You work for me, I don't work for you. You serve the public. And this idea of allowing people to have smart meters at no cost to them until the rates go up, and then to try to charge me and other people like me who say I don't want it because I have a right to say no. I shouldn't have to beg you to explain why I don't want a smart meter. It doesn't matter whether I think it's a health hazard to my family and myself. It doesn't matter if I think it's a privacy intrusion. It doesn't matter that it's completely economically unjustified. None of the reasons of why smart meters are a dumb idea are relevant because we have the constitutional right to say not no, but hell no. There's no saying that says power corrupts and ultimate power corrupts. Absolutely. This is what we have with this commission. I have done a lot of research with the constitutional issues, and I've talked to former governors, I've talked to the current governor, I've talked to people running for the office, and I understand, and I've read the statutes. So I realize that you have the ultimate power to say, we're not going to honor your constitutional rights. But I would like to remind you that the citizens of the state also have a balancing factor. If they wake up, if we inform them, and we show them that you are dead wrong, you're going to have to be accountable for making a very serious mistake, charging us for something that we have already paid for, and allowing others to get hundreds of dollars worth of benefits without charging them for their extra services, and not allowing us to say no when we have very valid reasons to say no, is a serious violation, and I urge you, I demand that you pay attention to the constitutional rights of this country, because it's the only thing that separates this country from the rest of the world, and without it, we are doomed.